In this video, we'll be going over Dolores Cannon's manifestation prayer technique and exactly how to practice it. Do you ever wonder why your prayers and wishes seem to go mostly unanswered? You might be missing out on one or two key steps which could transform your results when praying to manifest something you desire. Well, what if I told you that you possess the power to shape reality itself? That with the right mindset and techniques, you can manifest your deepest desires into existence. Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today, the incredible art of manifestation through the teachings of the renowned Dolores Cannon. Whether you're seeking love, abundance, or any other form of fulfillment, this video should change the way you view the world. Please take a moment to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Have you ever noticed that some people seem to effortlessly attract whatever they want into their lives? It's almost as if they possess a magical touch that allows prosperity and abundance to flow to them naturally. Well, their secret lies in the language they use to communicate with the universe itself, whether they're aware they're doing it or not. You see, the universe operates exclusively in the present moment. It doesn't understand concepts like the future tense. So when we say things like, tomorrow will be an amazing day, we are inadvertently postponing our desires to some ambiguous future that never arrives. The universe simply hears, they want an amazing day, but that day is not today. What if instead we declared with conviction, today is an amazing day? By affirming the present reality we wish to experience, we instantly align our vibrations with our heartfelt desires. Our thoughts and words are powerful incantations continuously broadcast out into the universe. When we emit the precise vibration the universe is tuned to, it can't help but receive and manifest our intentions. Impatience is one of the biggest hurdles we face when learning to manifest our dreams effectively. But you must understand that the universe operates on its own divine schedule and not on ours. The moment you conceive a desire, it is already created within the quantum realm, patiently awaiting your vibrational alignment to draw it into your physical reality. Like a tuning fork, your frequency will waver if there is doubt or desperation. This will cause you to fall out of resonance with your intended manifestation. Remain steadfast in your certainty that what's yours is already on its way to you. If you're serious about manifesting, check out the link to one of my best recommendations in the description box below. In addition to harnessing the power of the present moment, there is another crucial element required for potent manifestation: spiritual alignment. It's like tuning a radio to the precise frequency you wish to receive. Often this means shedding lower vibrational energies such as fear, scarcity, jealousy, or victimhood that disrupt your spiritual channel's reception. Only when you're resonating at the highest frequencies of love, gratitude, and trust can you engage with the universe's abundance codes. This is when the use of co-creation tools such as affirmations and vision boards becomes profoundly effective, rather than just empty wishful thinking. The more clearly you can visualize and embody your desires as already realized, the faster they will manifest. However, we can't simply make demands and expect the universe to deliver without us playing our part. You put out your clear intention, and the universe may respond by sending you an unexpected opportunity, a chance encounter, or even a temporary challenge designed to prepare you vibrationally. Your willingness to take the aligned actions presented to you, maintain your positive focus, and allow your desires to flow forth in divine timing, these are the things which keep the co-creative dance alive between you and the universe. You're never alone on this journey. Your spirit guides, angels, and past lives are always accessible to provide support, wisdom, and divine nudges in the form of auspicious synchronicities. Now let me share with you finally Dolores Cannon's potent prayer technique. Begin by sitting comfortably in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel your body becoming present and serene each time you breathe out. These deep breaths are the keys that open your spiritual doors and allow you to tune in to higher realms of consciousness. As you breathe, visualize any mental tensions or worries dissolving into pure light and gradually disappearing. Once you feel centered, vividly imagine yourself already living your highest desired reality, whether that's your dream relationship, career, home, or any other aspect you want to manifest. View it all through your senses as if you're experiencing it firsthand right now. Embody the feelings of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment, radiating through every cell. Then begin silently affirming, I am deserving of all this and more. I am an open vessel for the universe's infinite abundance to flow through me. Today is a magnificent day, and all is well in my world. Affirm with conviction, feeling the truth of each word amplifying your desires. Finally, offer this empowered request to the universe. Thank you, Divine Cosmos, for making this reality, or something even better, possible for me. I am grateful. Feel your prayer radiating outwards like a luminous beacon, aligning every atom of your being with your intended manifestation. Take one last deep breath. Slowly open your eyes and go forth, carrying the profound resonance of your connection with the universe's infinite creative powers within you. At the core of Dolores Cannon's work are the teachings around certain universal principles and laws that govern the mechanics of conscious manifestation. One of the most fundamental is the law of attraction, which simply states, the energy and intentions you emit through your thoughts, words, emotions, and actions is what you inevitably attract into your experience. You are an immensely powerful vortex of electromagnetic emission, continuously sculpting the malleable realms of your universe through your vibrations. Many people find they struggle when it comes to generating the emotions to accompany their prayers and visualizations. To see how you can successfully overcome this, click here now to watch this video next.